everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a HomeGoods haul. So my husband and I went away for the weekend, and while we were gone I had to stop into HomeGoods because I wanted to get some organizational things for the kitchen. So I ended up buying some things that I wanted to share with you guys, those things that I ended up getting. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first item that I ended up getting from HomeGoods was these towels right here. I needed to get some more face towels to replace the ones that I have. I'll be tossing those out. They were $7.99. As you all can see, they are really nice and plush here. Sometimes it's hard finding face towels today, but I really like how these felt here, so I ended up getting these here. They're 100% cotton. It's a 4-pack here, so I ended up purchasing these. These were the only item that I got that was, of course, not part of organization, but you know, I needed to replace the ones that I have, so there you go. Alright, so starting with the things that I ended up getting for organization, one of the items was this item here. This was $9.99. It's a multi-purpose storage bin, and it has the lid as well, as you all can see. It has like a woven design as a part of this bin here. It's a space saver because you can stack them as well, so that's a good thing. And it has the handles in front here and in back as well. Also, I ended up getting this item right here. I got two of them. This is the Good Grips pop container. So you see here that it pops there and then it just pops off like that. This comes in many different sizes. I just got the larger size because I wanted to put our cereal in here. If they work well, I'll probably, from what I hear, they do work well. I don't know why I said that, because I wouldn't have purchased them if I didn't think they would work well. But anyway, I ended up getting two of these in this size. And okay, so this is the other size that I ended up purchasing here. This is smaller. I just got this as a snack container. My husband, he tends to like the really large size peanut containers, and so I don't like the way they look. I just don't. So I got this container here for him to be using for his peanuts. Like I said, I think that I will be getting more of these containers. I probably just should have gotten the larger set that has, like, you know, 4 or 5 of them, but anyway, I just wanted to test out these here, so I'll probably end up purchasing more of these. I am pretty sure of it because I love the way they look. Next, I got two small multi-purpose bins as well. These have lids as well, the color gray. They did come in different colors, but I prefer this gray and white. I can't remember the other colors, to be honest with you guys, but they come in a multitude of colors. It's just that I chose the gray and white because it works with my color scheme, so that's what I got. These were $6.99. And my last item is more bins, except for these do not have the tops. These were $9.99, and it is a set of 4, which I thought was really economical. A lot of these things were economical to me. I am trying to purge a lot of things throughout my house, room by room. I first started with my bedroom. I got rid of a lot of clothes and shoes and accessories that were just not needed anymore. And so now the next room to tackle is my kitchen. And so that was the purpose of me getting all of these organizational bins, because I'm trying to get things organized. At the same time, minimize how much I have, because I just think with me having the mentality, some things you just don't need to have. But that's me. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like. I do decluttering and cleaning, organizational videos all the time. Every once in a while I will do a haul like this one. But this is also based off of the content that I do as well, because it's talking about organization. So anyway, if that's the type of content that you are liking, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.